Okay, same look, different day. So this is the day that I'm going to be out with the sub. Just trying to make the video early while I am here and feeling good. Because I don't know what I'll look like tomorrow. So anyway, today, make sure everybody please do attendance again in the attendance forms, because especially my virtual students, I will not know if you are here or not if you don't do the attendance form. I will not be doing Zooms today. Probably won't be very reachable either if I am not feeling, or if I'm feeling as poorly as my doctor thinks I might feel. So the assignment today is there's two of them. One of them should go pretty quickly. The other one is set up as a Google form, but I don't think it'll take you very long. There's some embedded videos and just a few questions along the way. So when you go into your Google Classroom, and I'm sorry, I don't have the link set up so you can see them yet, and I actually don't have them yet in all of the classes. I'll set those up as soon as I post those. So when you go into the Google Classroom, you're going to see the first one is set up as a Google Sheets. When you go in and start completing those, I talked about this on Friday, the organic or inorganic is going to be extra credit for everybody. But remember, the main thing with that is if it has both carbon and hydrogen, it's organic. If it doesn't, it is inorganic. And these are going to turn green if you get them right. They will not turn green if you don't get them right. And so it should do a self-check for you as you're going along. The big thing on these is that it doesn't let me do within the cells all of the subscripts. And so that's not going to work out real well for you. But the only ones that have the coefficients in front are down here in the bottom. And they are the very, very first numbers. There will never be a big number if it's not the first one. So every other number except for the ones that are the first ones in the cell are subscripts. So those are going to be the little numbers. So this is going to be your first assignment. Just as a self-check, if you are really, really, really stuck on one, I would love for you to do this on your own, especially since it's going to check them for you. But if you get totally stuck on one, you can always go back to the gizmo if you're really having problems. And that can help you with it. The other part of the assignment, like I mentioned, is going to be the second sub-assignment, and it's a middle school science lesson. Like I said, this one is going to be set up as a form. You can use your school email address. Once you click next on this, which I don't know if I can do that without going in this way. But once you click next on it, there's going to be some videos that are embedded, and then there will be some different questions that it asks as you go through it. So you'll use the different pictures, you'll figure out the answers, you'll go through it just like what you were doing, and then it'll go to the next section. So that's kind of the way this one will work. Once you finish this one, you can submit it, and you should be good to go. So I hope you'll have a fabulous day, and I hope to see y'all tomorrow. I hope there are no more problems with the vaccine and that I am able to be here tomorrow. So have a great day, and have fun. Bye.